So how do you get the, how do you calculate your profit for selling products on Amazon?
Okay, great. So now this session is regarding what we are going to start, because this is very important. You have seen products, okay? You know, you are very likely to interested in traveling products, and you are in automobiles. So now the thing is, we have seen the demand. We have seen every aspect, the reviews, rating, marketing strategies. We have touched, the basics of everything. So now it's very important that you must have the idea, what is my margin? If I'm seeing the product and opportunity, so whether I'm going to make a profit in it or not. So there is a calculator, like mainly there are two kinds of fees involved in it, which is the first fee is referral fee, okay, which is a kind of commission. You can write a commission against this. So referral fee is a commission to Amazon. It might be 10%, 8%, or 15%. Okay, so it is totally depending upon the category. Okay, Amazon have categorized this fee based upon the category. If it's a beauty item, it could be 15%. If it's a traveling item, it might be 8 to 10%. Okay, so we have a chart.
No.
How we can know? We have a chart. This is your question?
No.
Okay.
My question is, this category or this commission fee will be charged on the seller.
Yes.
Exactly. Exactly, because you are making money because Amazon have customers and they are charging. Okay.